Once you figured out whether a respirator is needed for the type of work you do on your farm and identified the correct type of respirator, the next step is to implement a medical evaluation program. Why are medical evaluations important? Well, because breathing through a respirator can itself be pretty hard work. The medical evaluation program is meant to ensure that wearing a respirator doesn't cause any further health problems. For example, wearing a respirator could be hazardous for people with pre-existing heart or lung problems. Although the Environmental Protection Agency's Worker Protection Standard requires a medical evaluation for any individual who will be wearing a respirator while working with a pesticide, it is a good idea for anyone using a respirator to have a medical evaluation. A medical evaluation has a couple of steps. First, you complete a medical questionnaire which simply asks about whether the individual has or has experienced several problems or symptoms which may indicate that wearing a respirator will pose an issue for that individual. A physician or other licensed healthcare professional reviews the medical questionnaire and, based off of the answers given on the questionnaire, will decide whether a follow-up medical exam is necessary to further evaluate the individual's ability to safely use a respirator. If no follow-up is necessary, the individual will be given the green light to wear the respirator. Each of these steps and any other discussion regarding the results of the medical evaluation between the healthcare provider and the individual is kept completely confidential. If the individual is an employee, the employer will only receive a notice from the healthcare provider regarding whether or not the individual is medically fit to wear the respirator required by the product label or safety data sheet. If you have any questions regarding the process of respirator medical evaluations or how to implement a medical evaluation program, feel free to contact Michigan State University Extension. Click on any of the above links to learn more about respirator use in agricultural settings.